so you can get all the gist. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tomi and welcome to my first video, and this is actually a question and answer session. So these questions were asked on my Instagram, Snapchat and WhatsApp. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. Questions from my phone, and the first question is, will you be doing a money giveaway? Well, it depends. You have to subscribe to my channel to know that. So, of course, yes. How have you been? I've been very well, thank you. When is your birthday? Okay, this is actually a very good question because my birthday is next month, 7th of March every year. Subject in high school. I think my favorite subject could have been biology because I was actually really into science before I switched to art. But my teacher back then, my biology teacher back then, she was an SU, so she didn't like teach us some subject because she felt like, oh, that you guys gonna be wayward, stuff like that. Because so she didn't teach us reproduction, she didn't teach us a lot of like topics, and it's just super weird because our own personal belief actually got in the way of our teachings with us. Are all your trips all expenses paid, or you covered the bills yourself? Okay, so I'm a travel blogger, I'm a travel enthusiast as well. I travel a lot, and from the years I've been traveling till now, all my trips has been, is that English correct? All my trips have been yeah, none of my trips have been all expenses paid, none till today. I pay everything, every dime, every travel ticket, hotel and whatsoever with my hard-earned money. Yeah, so basically I was actually supposed to have an all expense paid trip with Shisha Travels and Tours in March to Cape Verde, but the situation right now in Cape Verde is really terrible that the Cabo Verde airline is not flying to Nigeria. Airlines are not flying to Cape Verde due to the whole COVID-19 pandemic going on. So you guys should always stay safe, wear your mask, and do not leave your house without a mask. It's very essential. COVID-19 is real. I know what I'm saying. Okay, next question. Have you made your first million? If yes, when? Well, people always assume that I have money, and I really do not know why. Probably because I always look pink, and it's just really, basics of fashion. You have to like look, it's my basic, like it's a must for me to look nice for myself, if that makes sense to you. So I'll be showing you guys how to look good on a budget, even if you do not have enough money. You do not have to break a bank to look good. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, I made my first million when I was 22, and I spent it. I can't find it. So why did you change your Instagram handle from Miracle to Tomi? Very good question. This person must have been following me for like, I don't know, this person must have been following me for like 2 years or 3 or 4 thereabout for you tonight. Yeah, so basically I've changed to my Instagram handle from Miracle, and there's another one I can't remember, from Miracle. The recent one is from Miracle to Tomi, and I think it's been going to like, let's say 3-4 years now. Yeah, so basically the whole idea of changing my name from Miracle to Tomi London, Miracle is actually my name in English, like my native name is Iyano, so that's like my other name. Iyano is my other name, so Tomi is my first name. I have lengthy names, like super lengthy names, so I just always like to like shorten them. Yeah, so I changed Miracle to Tomi London because I wanted to rebrand. So that's just the whole reason why I changed from Miracle to Tomi London. I rebranded, if that makes sense. How have you been? I've been good. I've been good. Actually, this question is a very good question, and we always tend to, just feel like, oh, it's just a normal question, like, oh, good, 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 fine. Like, I really like this question. I've been good, I've been living, I've been thriving, I've been surviving. The next question is, what do you do? Okay, I feel like a lot of you on Instagram do not really know what I do for a living. Like, some of you know it, but if you want to know everything about me, I urge you to like subscribe right now to my channel so you can get all the gist. Yeah, so basically I do a lot of things, like a lot, but I'm going to be highlighting some. Basically, I'm a content creator. I also handle some companies' social media accounts. I'm a creative director. Should in case you have a shoot, like you wanna launch a new collection from your fashion line, just send me an email. Your girl is ready. I do fashion styling as well. So I made a decision to go into influencing. Okay, this question is actually a very vital question because I feel like a lot of people mistake me for an influencer instead of a content creator. Let me explain. A content creator is someone that creates content, that creates good visuals for your brand, probably a fashion brand, a beauty line, or whatsoever aspect you are in. That is what a content creator is. On the other hand, an influencer is someone that creates content as well, but also has an obligation for the content that has been created to sell to his or her audience. So now there is a difference between these two. I am a content creator. My only work as a content creator is to create great visuals, great value to your brand. Then you take the content I have created to your PR team to generate sale from that content. Next question. Why are you so fine? Beautiful soul. That is why you can see me as a fine person, because I am the person that asks this question. So if you are a good person, you get to see my fine side. Then if you are a then you get to see my yeah. So that is basically who I am. So a YouTube would be so nice. I'm here for it. Okay, girl. How do I get you to wear my designs? Oh, okay. So this is super easy, super like super easy. The only thing you have to do is just send an email to me at just send me an email. I'll put the email right down in the description box below. So send me an email, I'll send you my rate card, and we'll be good to go. What was your least favorite subject in high school? Mathematics. Oh, maths. Yeah, anything calculation. I wash my hand from anything calculation. I'm not good with math. I'm not good at math. I'm not a fan of math. Question. Which trusted, caring, affordable travel agency can you advise someone to use? Okay, girl. So trusted, caring, affordable are three different kind of things. But I feel, yeah. So basically for me, whenever I travel, this is actually on a sponsored ad whatsoever, I always book my flight tickets on TravelStats or wakanow.com. Either of the two. Their website is user friendly and super easy. Just either of the two is what I personally use. Tell us more about you if you want this. If you want this, girl, have you hit the subscribe button? Hit the subscribe button and put on your notifications so when I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to get the gist. Okay, I like this question. If you had to travel to a country and live there for a year, where would it be? If you asked me this question a year ago, I would have said Senegal. Oh my goodness. Like, I love the vibe. I always get online with Senegal and everything. But I went to Senegal in November 2020, and to be very honest, Senegal is a very peaceful country, chilled country. But the only issue I had was the language barrier. Oh my goodness, like, I do not speak Wolof, I do not speak French. So in Senegal, they expect you to either speak French or Wolof. If you do not speak French or Wolof, then they feel like, oh, that you're not part of them. And it's even hard for you to communicate if you speak only English. That's the actual fact. So yes, I think I will still stick to Ghana. I actually wanted to move to Ghana like 3 years ago, but my mom said, nah, yeah, I'm not moving. Yeah, so I'll stick to Ghana. Ghana is like Yeah, still on the question and answer session with Tomi London. Has Pab, this is my first YouTube video, so let's hit the subscribe button. I really love this last question. It says, what are your pet peeves? Pet peeves are things that you find super annoying. Not much right now, but the first one that I hate, like I find super annoying, the first thing I find super annoying is when someone is eating and I can actually hear the sound of you munching the food. Ah, I hate it. Like, why should your mouth be sounding when you're eating? Like, no, you don't do things like that. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. I find it super annoying. I find it super annoying when you eat and your mouth sounds. I find it super annoying. It's not nice. It's not nice. My pet peeves is you coming to my house unannounced. I'm big on boundaries. I am super big on boundaries. And as a creative, I really do not like people coming to my house unannounced or all the time. Reason being that most of the time I'm trying to think, I'm trying to like create content for my brand, for other brands I'm working with. So I'm always like very silent, like I hardly speak because you'll be seeing lots of me talking, but I hardly do that because I'm always like thinking, I'm always thinking, I'm always planning, I'm always strategizing. So when you like come to my house unannounced and I'm trying to create something iconic, I'm trying to create something good, and you're like talking to me and I'm not responding back to you, that is because I'm in my own space. Yeah, so you don't come to my house unannounced, you don't munch food while eating and making it sound like no. Yeah, I hate that one. I hate. So that's all the questions you guys asked from Instagram, Snapchat, and WhatsApp. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's keep this energy going. And please, if you find this interesting, do not hesitate to share with your friends and families, because I'm discussing all things fashion, style, beauty, self-care, and I'll be vlogging a lot as well. Vlogging a lot about a lot of things. I'll be showing you guys around the world as well. So let's keep it going. Love you guys.